or detention and the basis for detention. So, what is the law and what is the crime that I committed? To me now, the legal basis for my being here, as apparently I was brought here not of my own volition. It's somebody else's. Kung hindi ibang tao, ikaw siguro, because this is your structure. So you have to answer now for the deprivation of liberty.
General naman kayo. Alam mo ba na hindi man lang siya na-serve kung anong kaso kung sinacharge sa kanya ngayon? Hindi niya alam. No?
Kahit na PI man lang.
Alam mo, ang charge sa kanya nasa dyaryo lang. And then, hindi pa kayo na ano na ganito ginagawa natin. Sumusunod tayo sa isang entity na hindi na tayo membro. Nag-withdraw na tayo. And yet, sir, you are the Prosecutor General. Yes. You know how to exercise due process. Before you can even file charges, you have to file a complaint. We have to file a counter affidavit. Without doing those procedural process, here we are, being issued a warrant of arrest, questionable warrant of arrest. Ano naman po, sir? Sir.
There's naman doon, blooper, puro pagdating sa trial dyan, tatawagin kita sa witness stand. Sabihin ko, you're the person who arrested me. May I know the reason why? Have you read the documents? Or at least, have you read the case at that time when you made the arrest? So that you would be guided to what you should know. Yan lang yan. Magkaibigan tayo, galing ako gobyerno.
Our obligations under the okay, sir? Sir, ganito.
Let us follow the
Ito na ang sinasabi ko, sir, na we can do this the hard way. We can do this the easy way. The easy way, sir, is for you to choose 3 people to accompany PR to the plane. May bus dyan, and he's going to the plane. Okay, sir. The hard way.
What plane is this, sir?
Ma'am, chartered flight.
Chartered flight
Okay.
from? Sir, we need
hard
to
way.
know. We
The hard-
need to know
Ma'am,
where you're
ma'am,
bringing
ma'am.
our president.
Ma'am, the hard way.
Sir, we need to know. Please give
Ma'am.
us information
Makinig ka muna, ma'am.
where you are bringing
Wala sa pay grade ko yun, ma'am. Tagalogin na natin.
Sabihin nyo kung saan siya dalahin.
The hard way,
Kung
Tang
sino po
ina
may
ka.
grade,
The hard
pakisagot
way.
po kami.
the hard way is for me to